Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Warzani Wasan. My metric number 2675569. This is my assignment one for the poem, subject poem. So, I have two side of my brochure. This is the first side, and then this one is the second side. So, I will okay for we start the for the first side. Yeah. Okay. This is a name of the UM, so I'll mention the UM name, and then what is the UM is the Northern University of Malaysia. So I already mentioned this is a focus on the international undergraduate student, and in the below I put the picture of the University of Malaysia, so people will understand more what is a UUM. So as you can see in column in upline, so you can see the what have UM done. They get what they get. They get a 4 star. They get a beta gamma sigma. They get a account certificate from the outsiders. So this reason is to viewer more to attract when they see this logo. I can see that this is a performance of a UM to produce a student, so will be attract the outsider to enter the UM. So the second column, this is I already mentioned the address for exactly the address of the UM. So I will mention the number of phone and the email, and then this the branding logo of the UM. So I mention also I also mentioned the logo of the UM. The so viewer can or customer can see the logo, and then about us, I put the vision and mission to make them know that we have we want to achieve uh, the best student to produce the best student in management. Okay, and then the mission also we put, so this will be enhanced and will be more viewer more viewer spirit to come to US, more want to come UM. This will be make more motivated for the viewer that see this brochure. So and then we go to the second section, which is okay, this one. As you can see, I put the uh, only three column also. I have put the most important what viewer must understand before they want to enter the UM. So the first is a general entry requirement. So I hope I will mention this because customer will understand what the general requirement for them to enter. They must pass the English test, TOEFL or IELTS or MUET, and then you can see the band to what I already mentioned. And then they must pass the senior secondary school at least 11 or 12 years in the school, senior high school or senior secondary, and then they must what is I will mention the English language requirement to make them, the reason is to make them know what exactly they must pass. The number of the pass must band 5.5 IELTS, band 2 MAT, match for Brunei, Indonesia. So this the first requirement for them to see to enter the UM. So is why I not put the why not put the what to call the courses, because I have already the mentioned the information of visit UM. So they will, after the pass of the engineering requirement, they will be visit. I hope they will visit their HAUM individual mind, so see the courses, and then put the background to see and link with the objectives to see that VC more want to produce a student. Their spirit want to more produce a student to be good in management. So I like the VC phase because they will be know the background, will know the objective of our VC. So to make our customer more more like to enter the UM. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.